Hey everybody, it's Nick here, and I'm going to demonstrate for you our app that we have created for the Arctic Cloud Developer Challenge. So what we're going for here is 4 different categories: excellent user experience, most extreme value, Pandora's box, and killer AI. So this uses all of these things for doing corporate training. Corporate training is boring, it's tedious, everybody hates it. But what if we gamify it? Let's make it exciting. First off, here's our splash screen. We're going to go into this chatbot, which is tied into OpenAI, and we're going to first off, let's go to your username. I'm Nick. And then we're going to go in and ask some questions around this. So we're going to choose a theme. We all like different themes to learn. How about My Little Pony? And then we're going to choose a level. Is this going to be easy, medium, or hard? I'm just going to choose medium here. And then what kind of corporate training are we going to take? Health and safety, diversity, compliance. Let's just choose health and safety. And now what it's doing, it is generating a map and a character and questions for you to take this training. And this is going to take about 2 minutes. It's using OpenAI. It's creating this information, storing it into Microsoft Dataverse. And what we have here is a Canvas app. So let this generate, and we'll be back in just a second. All right, we can see now that our map's been generated. I'm going to move on to the next screen here. And oh, look at these amazing people. It's really hard to pick. Let's pick Sarah. Looks like a good hero we want to get. So there's a My Little Pony hard one. Let's choose this. Let's play the game. So what you see appear here is a very simple maze game. So I've got it, my little hero here. I want to find the My Little Pony to get the question, today's question. I'm going to move down. And then eventually, once we get to the My Little Pony, notice we have this question mark come up. And now here's the quiz question. What is the fundamental concept behind embracing diversity and understanding its significance in building inclusive communities and organizations? Let's try something like we can learn from each other. Now, this is going to submit this back to the AI. It's going to look at the question and look at the answer. And we can see here that that question has been approved. Now, we could also put in a bad answer, maybe something like, we are in it for ourselves. Let's hit the submit here. And red, denied, not a good answer. So you can see our app, it's using killer AI to generate levels, generate characters. It's using killer AI to ask questions more than just a simple yes, no, or a multiple choice format. We have to think about our answers and submit them to the API. It's the true business value for corporate training because it's really hard to get people going. Killer AI, we're going to be pulling into these large language models and building all sorts of different assets. Pandora's box, we're using a variety of technologies in ways that we've never thought of. We're all learning. We are doing really interesting things. We're gamifying very boring corporate training. And of course, excellent user experience, very easy to use. Anybody could use this app. We don't need to train, and we're also using that 80s style 8-bit retro, bringing us back to our childhoods, or some of our childhoods anyway, of going to the arcade and playing these games, and it's bringing back the joy to us as we learn new things about ourselves and to also make sure we hit corporate policy. Thank you for watching.